Well, I tried a lot of things. I practiced meditation, and I tried just fighting through getting more sleep. Um, I've had sleep trouble for a while, and it was a gradual process of me just trying to oversolve the issue and realizing that I was kind of just getting in my own head and getting in my own way. I think as a natural problem solver, I saw sleep as just another problem to uh, optimize, and in a way, you just simply can't um, problem solve sleep in that way. You have to take a step back and realize that it's something that happens naturally. You can't think your way out of it. My sleep would fluctuate from time to time. I have two young kids, so the struggles of being a parent are real, but yeah, everybody has off nights. I would tend to, uh, on good sleeping occasions, I'd sleep well, 7 to 8 hours a night. But I became fairly stressed over the last year, and I think that impacted the quality of my sleep. And I got to the point where I was sleeping, less than 4 hours a night sometimes. And when that starts compounding and you let it mean something more than it is, you can find yourself in a spot that you don't want to be. And that's how I found myself at the Sleep Science Academy. Through the help of my coach and the modules, I've really been able to incrementally improve my sleep to the point where I'm sleeping regularly 7 to 9 hours a night. And I feel like I've really understood where I kind of gotten in my own way and created problems for myself. So I'm incredibly grateful for the program because I feel like I very likely would still be here if I hadn't found it. At first I had struggled to see results. I had been using a sleep medication for a while, and um, the downsides of sleep medication is that it leaves you feeling very groggy. And the fact that you're getting sleep in some cases doesn't matter because you lose your ability to concentrate, and your memory suffers because of that. So it was probably 4 to 5 weeks in, I started to see real results as I put in the work. And as you keep putting in more work, you'll see that progress show up in how much rest you get and the quality of the rest. I think anybody would understand that having good quality sleep makes a huge impact on not just your mood and your energy level, but your ability to be present. And a lack of sleep can it can precipitate into a lot of things. Anxiety was one thing that it showed up in for me, or depression, and um, sleep is critical to your general well-being. I think this program is great for anybody who feels overwhelmed by the sense that sleep is something that somehow continues to escape them no matter how much they have focused on and put energy into improving it. There's a lot of things that people say you should be doing to optimize your sleep. And if you start to find that those solutions aren't working at all, you're probably in a spot that I found myself where it's much more of your mental attitude and your relationship with sleep, and not so much the other things, whether it's having the right bed or the right temperature in your room and so forth. It was a great experience. I was able to get the help that I needed right away. Healthcare has been a challenge, I think, for some people. When I first found myself in a spot where I felt like I needed some professional help, I was calling around to my doctors, and I was not able to get appointments for months out. And that had a way of sort of sinking my hope of solving the problem in a reasonable time frame. So being able to get really personalized care right away was, uh, yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to put a price on. When you start out, you you're gonna have a lot of trouble sometimes understanding the paradox that is uh, undoing sleep struggle. And the thing about the Sleep Science Academy program is that it goes right to the root of the problem. And when you start with the mental approach, I think you're much more likely to understand how to solve your problem as quickly as I think everybody is hoping to solve it.